Good morning. Today we'll discuss binary to BCD code conversion. Given binary number to convert into BCD format. BCD format. Write an assembly language program to convert an 8-bit binary data to BCD data. The binary data is stored in 8200 and store the unique digit in 8201 and the tens digits 8202 and the hundreds digit in 8203 address. 8203 address. Here, to convert the binary to BCD or hexadecimal to decimal. Here, the given binary data, suppose FF, okay, FF, this is for data in hexadecimal. Now to convert BCD format, f of the corresponding binary value 111, this is for 2, the corresponding decimal value 255, this is for decimal. Now to convert into BCD means this is for separate into single digit 05, 05 and 02. This is for ones digit and this is for tens digit and this is for hundreds digit. That is 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 5 ones. We have to separate like this format. This is a BCD, the each digit. This is for 3 digit. Now to separate into single digit, 3 single digit BCD values. Now how to convert the binary to BCD or hexadecimal to decimal? Here the given f means hexadecimal, the corresponding decimal value to 55. Now the given value compare with hundreds. 100 decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 64 inch. Now compare with the 100. The given value compare with the 100. Okay. Now this is loaded into A register. F of data loaded into A register and to clear two register. Suppose B and C both register 00. This is for to save number of hundreds. And this is for to store number of tens. For that, to clear these two register, B register for we can store number of hundreds and C register for we can store the number of tens. Here the given data f of in corresponding decimal to 55 loaded into accumulator. Now the accumulated data compare with 100. Above 100 or below 100. Suppose above 100. Now to subtract these two data. Given data with 100. Suppose the given data less than 100. Less than 100 means compare with 10. Compare with 10. 10 means 0A. Compare with 10. Given data, compare with the 10. Now, more than 10. More than 10 means we have to subtract with the given data and with accumulate. Given data with the 0A, that is 10. Okay? Or the given data is less than 10. Less than 10 means that is number of ones. Number of ones. Now the number of ones we can directly to store the 8 to 01 address locations. This is for unit result. First we have to load the given data to accumulator. Now the accumulator data compare with the 100. 100 means 64. Now to check the carry flag whether it is set or reset. When the carry flag is reset means the accumulator content is larger than or greater than 100. Greater than 100 means we can subtract accumulator data. FF means 255 and subtract with 100. Subtract with 100. Now result accumulator equal to 155. How many times subtraction? Single times. Now to increment B register once. Now B equal to 0, 1. Again compare accumulator with 100. Here the carry flag will be checked whether it is carry, set or reset. Here the carry flag will be reset. Why means accumulator content is larger than 64. That is larger than 100. 100 means now the carry flag will be reset. Again to subtract accumulator with 100. Okay. Now result 55 in A register. Now increment B register content single times. Okay. Now accumulated data compare with 100. Here the carry flag will be set or reset. Here the carry flag will be set. Why means accumulated data is lesser than 64. That is lesser than 100. Here the carry flag will be set. Now the carry flag will be set means now accumulated content is lesser than 100. Now compare with tens. Now to compare with tens. Here the carry flag will be set or reset. Here the carry flag will be reset. Why means the accumulator content is greater than 10. If accumulator content is greater than 10, now accumulator data 55 subtract with 10. Subtract with 10. Now after subtraction accumulator 45. 45. Now to tens in C register initially 0. Now the first time subtraction, now increment C register 1. After increment again repeat the same. Now accumulator compare with 10. Here the carry flag will be again reset. Why means the accumulator content is larger than 10. Again subtract accumulator with 10. Now accumulator result 35. Accumulator result 35. Now increment the C register single times. Now C equal to 0, 2. Again compare accumulator with 10. Again here the carry flag will be reset. Reset means the accumulator content is larger than 10. Now subtract with 10. After subtraction accumulator result 25. Now to increment the C register content single times. Now C equal to 0, 3. Again accumulator compare with 10. Again here the carry flag will be reset. Reset means accumulator is larger than 10. Now again subtract. Subtract with this one 10. Now after subtraction accumulator result 15. Now increment C register singletons. 4. Now accumulated data compare with 10. Here the carry flag will be again reset. Why means accumulator is larger than 10. Again subtract accumulator with 10. Now accumulator result 0, 5. Now increment C register singleton 0, 5. Okay. Next accumulator compare with 10. Here the carry flag will be set condition. Why? Accumulator is lesser than 10. Accumulator is lesser than 10 means now the accumulator result we can directly to store 8201 address. Why mean? This is for unit result. Okay. 5 ones. 5 ones. The accumulator result we can directly to store 8201. Okay. And tens result available in C register. The C register data we can move into accumulator and then accumulator result to store 8202 address and then hundreds digits available in B register. Now B register data to move accumulator and then accumulator result to store 8203 address. Now 8203 address 02 data. This is the format for to convert given binary data to BCD format. Okay. The 7 accumulated data FF. Now the corresponding binary. Now corresponding BCD 2, 5, 5. This is for hundreds and this is for tens and this is for ones result. Okay, this is a procedure. Hundreds to tens 5 and ones 5. This is the format. First to load the data accumulator. After that to clear any two register 00. One register for to store number of hundreds and another register to store number of tens. For that to clear B and C register 00. After that the given data compare with 100. The given data is compared with 100. Above 100 or below 100. Above 100 means we have to subtract with 100 for this logic. Okay. It will increment the hundreds register 2 times. After that accumulator 55. Now the 55 compare with the hundreds. Now the carry flag will be set. Why? The accumulator content is less than 100. Now compare with the tens. Okay, compare with the tens. Tens means 0A. Compare with the 0A and to check the carry status. Now the carry flag will be reset condition. Reset means we have to subtract with the tens. We have to subtract with the tens up to the carry flag will be set condition. Okay. At that time the C register will be increment 5 times. C register will be increment 5 times. After that accumulator available 05. 05 means this is for number of ones, that is unit digits. Now the unit digit directly to store 8201 address and tens result available in C register to store 8202 address and hundreds digits available in B register now to store 8203 address. This is the logic. For this logic we have to write the program. Okay. First load the data 8200 address location FF. This is for binary data and the result 8201 number of ones 5 This is for ones digit, and 820205 data. This is for tens digit, and 820302 data. This is for hundreds digits. Okay. For this, we have to write the program. First, load the data in address 8200 LDA 8200H. 8200 address location data directly to load accumulator. Now accumulator F of and to clear MVI B, 00H, the B register data to move C register. Now B and C both register 00, B 0 and C 00. This is for to store the number of hundreds, and this is for to store the number of tens. Okay. Now accumulated data compare with the hundreds. For that we can use the PI64H. Compare immediate. Compare means accumulated with the immediately given data 64. This is for 255. This is for 100. Now to compare these two data and to check the result whether it is carry or not. If result is carry, jump to this address location. Jump to this address location. Now address here HUNT hundreds. Jump to, if result is carry means jump to here. Compare with the tens. CPI 10 means 10H. Compare with the 10. And here also to check the carry if result is carry. And jump to unit. Unit means one's result. Jump to here unit UNIT. Unit. Now unit means the accumulated result available number of ones. Ones means we can directly to store STA8201 address. Okay. Now to compare the accumulated data with the hundreds, here the carry flag will be reset. Reset means now this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next address location. Now we have to subtract accumulator with the 100. Okay. For that we can use SUI 64H. SUI 64 means accumulator F of the corresponding decimal value 255 and subtract with a 64. 64 corresponding decimal value 100. 255 minus 100. Now result accumulator 155. Okay. After the single times subtraction, now to increment the number of hundreds once. INRB. Increment the B register content single times. And after increment, again we have to compare accumulator with 100. Now accumulator 155. 155 compare with 100. Now jump to this address location without any condition. For that we can use unconditional jump. Unconditional jump means jump to this memory address location. Okay. Now it will jump to here. Again compare with the accumulator with 64. Accumulator 155 and compare with 100. And carry flag will be reset condition. Reset means again subtract accumulator with 100. Now accumulator 155. Subtract. After subtraction, accumulator 55. Now increment the B register. B equal to 02. Now B equal to 02. Okay. And unconditional jump to this address location. Again compare accumulator with 64. Accumulator 55 compare with 100. Here the carry flag will be set. Set means directly jump to this address location. And jump to here, compare accumulator 55, compare with 0 here means 10. Now accumulator content is larger than 10. Now the carry flag will be reset condition. Reset means we have to subtract. Subtract with 0A. To subtract accumulator with 10. Accumulator 55 subtract with 10. Now after subtraction accumulator 45. Now the singleton subtraction. Now to increment the tens register. Tens register in C. Now increment INR C. Now C equal to 0, 1. Again repeat the same process up to the carry flag is set. Jump to here. We can directly give HUNT. Now jump to here. Again compare accumulator with 10. Accumulator 45. 45 compare with 10. Here the carry flag reset. Reset means again subtract. It will increment the C register content up to 5 times. After 5 times, okay, jump to here. After 5 times, now accumulator data will be 0.5. Now 0.5 compare with 0A. 0A means 10. Here the carry flag will be set. Why means accumulator content is less than 10. Now this condition will be satisfied. Jump to unit. Now directly jump to here. Store accumulator. Accumulator result available number of ones 0.5 available. That 0.5 data to store 8201 address. Okay. After that tens result available in C register. Now C register data to move accumulator MOV A, C. And then accumulator result to store SPA 8202 address. Okay. Now tens result to store 8202 address result 05. After that to store the hundreds result. Hundreds result available in B register 02. Now the B register data to move A register and then A register data to store 8203 address. Now the 8203 address, the accumulator available number of hundreds to store 820302 data. After that, alter the program. This is the program for to convert the given binary data to the corresponding BCD data. This is for code conversion. Any doubt? No. Okay. Thank you.